So, welcome to It's Bambi's Playhouse, guys. So, I hope you guys like my necklace. Okay, so this is going to be an apartment tour. As you guys know, I just got my first apartment. Okay, so this is my lovely pond view that I get to look at. And my apartment is right there. I'm gonna show you guys even more. I wanna show you guys my new car. No, I don't have the keys because I just literally had on anything. I was just sitting in the house and I just decided to move it. It's just a little Audi, it's nothing really major. How do I look? All right, so come on, let's show you guys the front. What is this on my car? All right, so let me show you guys the front door of my apartment. Come on, baby. I got so much to show you. So, here we go right here. As you can see, this is the pool, and that's the little complex, the little thing right there. So, yeah. And as you can see, I have a really good view of the airplanes and everything, and that's the pond. I'm the view, baby. That is my balcony right there. Shout out to that special someone that got me that. As you can see, we're inside the playhouse. It's Bambi's Playhouse. All right, so this is the closet. Closet, 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 up. It's Bambi, Barbie, getting used to it. Amnesia, amnesia. Wow, you really ruined it playing the snap. I was having a little moment. All right, so these are all the shoes right here. The Barbie shoes, baby. And these are platinum heel boots, baby. I can just, I can reach in corners with these, which I'm happy. If there's a little bug right there, I can I can kill it right there, all right? So there, come on in. Oh, I'm gonna leave Lennon for you. Come on in. Don't be looking at my tushy. Unless you want to book me. Come on in. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Get the fuck out! All right, so here we go. Oh. So as you can see, I have this really big couch. I got this couch from Germany. And if you say that you can't see a couch, then you aren't a bad bitch. Only bad bitches can see a couch right here, okay? So, this is where I just sit down and I watch TV. I got my remote. Let's see what's on TV. Oh, it's Bambi's Barbie. Oh, it's Bambi Barbie new mixtape. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Shut up. I cannot believe this. Oh my god. That is nothing but buffoonery. And I'm sorry, y'all. Sometimes malarkey. They talk too much. And that's malarkey. For real. That Maycock. Maycock for you. Alright, so that's my couch right there. And right here is my my workout station. My treadmill. It's right here. Yeah, so come on. So, right here is my kitchen.
When it comes to the flow.
And as you can see, I have a little dishwasher, and then I have a freezer. New freezer! Come on the top of the eater. 2-seater. No. Who man's is this? Who man's is this? This is clearly the refrigerator part. Who mans is this, bro? Alright, so this is the refrigerator or whatever. If you come in here, this is my studio where I do all my songs at. Like, yeah. That's my laundry room. You guys play too much. This is my microwave. You know what, guys? I had this microwave for a while now, so that's why it's like this. But it's new. It's new. Don't try me. And this is my water where I wash my hands. I'm gonna put a little bit in my hair just to make it have some more volume. Okay. This is the stove. Because you guys don't know, this cabinets or whatever. Whatever.
Lie.
Let me see.
Look at the caption. Stop playing with me.
Okay, because I am disgusted. I'm disgusted.
I'm set up and it's
What in the cross-termination and titty nipples? And alright, so this is my bathroom. This is my bathroom. This is my bathroom. This is my bathroom. Excuse me.
Oh my God.
She tried it. At least she tried. At least she tried. At least she tried.
The dress is like
Effort. But I'm disgusted.
Look at that little
The cross-termination and titty nipple wrong with this in the flower garden of hells.
Drop my phone again.
I'm sorry you keep showing me these disgusting pictures. What I'm supposed to do?
I'm sorry, I keep
This is my light ring right here. And I know y'all remember this. I know y'all remember this. You gotta be a real team member if you remember this. This is my It's Bambii picture that I made when I was in 11th grade when I wanted my titties so bad, and I just drew her and I looked at her every day and I wanted to be her. And I used to wear my hair like that before I cut it off. So yeah. And this is my 1 millionth plaque. Thank you guys so much for helping me get this. You guys are amazing. And this was me at prom. This was me, my senior pictures. This is me and my best friend. Shout out to my best friend. Wish that she can be here right now. Rest in peace. But on to other things. This is my closet, and what this room is going to be, this is the one. This room is going to be like the recording and all about It's Bambii. Like life is just a party, so come where you are. Just it up or just sit down, don't forget your guitar. Shout out to Chrissy Montana for making that song. All right, come here. All right, so this right here is my bedroom. Now, welcome everybody. This is my bedroom right here. This right here is my little teddy bear, but I don't know how he got in here, like for real. Do I got a ghost thing? Yo, I know. All right, let's go. All right, so I wanted to put my boots up. These boots is for girls that got thighs and. All right, so this is the other closet. I'm not sure what I'm gonna put everything in here because I want to put everything in the Bambii room and everything. But I think I want to put like all of my crazy outfits in there, and I don't know what I want to put in here. But I'm so happy I can reach this because my old room at my mama's house, girl, I cannot fit anything up there. So that was annoying. All right, and this is my personal bathroom. I have a bathtub right here. And right there, you know, it's just a little playhouse, you know, for the girls, you know. It's not bad for a girl that can't rap.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Oh, watch how you speak of me. Bitch. And yeah, I guess that concludes it, baby. Let me tell y'all something. Any of y'all ever try it in this neighborhood, try to come and touch my car? If somebody said dance for $1 million or get shot, I'll be like, all right, y'all see my chain? Just bought a chain, it go boom ba bang. Now wrist by it element, wrist drip drop. Stepping from my hand, shoulder to my knee, to the boots, wrist by back shit. Crazy psycho with them heavy check. All right, anyway, guys, so this is my apartment. I just want to say, come here, guys, come here. I'm serious. I'm not gonna tell y'all to get out. Come here. I'm not gonna tell y'all to get out, but I'm gonna lead you to the door so you know to get out. Cause all that reaching was unnecessary. But anyway, so this concludes my apartment tour. I just want to say thank you, Team Bambii, for all you guys that support me through everything. New music should be out right now, and thank you guys for all the support with that everything. Y'all are so real and sticking by me through everything because, you know, y'all is real. And yeah, I'm just really thankful for you guys. So without further ado, if you are not slaying, then what the fuck are you saying? And slay until your hair turns gray. Bye, guys. Did you forget that I don't need you? Bye, guys. Bambii Kali and dumbass.